Hulk smash Legos! Whoa!
Gimme that yummy gummy! I'm Gus the Gummy Gator.
Hey, you little gators! Today we're gonna do a giant Lego challenge. We're gonna build something real cool. Me and my friend Rocky.
Hey Gus, what's up?
You're right, let's go! Wow, this is definitely not enough Legos. We need some more. Hey, you! Can you bring in some Legos? Yeah, you! Come on! Bring them on in! Bring them on in! Wow! All right, Rocky. Now that we got all our Legos, here's our first challenge.
What?
Okay, build your favorite animal. Let's go. All right, favorite animal. Could make a monkey. Nah. Maybe I can make a cow. Nah. I know, an alligator. What you think, little gators? Do you like alligators? Yeah! Woohoo! Now we got all our green Legos. They're green, just like me. And here's my alligator. Still a work in progress. Almost done. All right. I think it looks just like me. Let's go see what Rocky Roosters looks like.
So a chicken Lego. Let's see, what's that gonna look like? Guess I'll use this one, then this one here. Yeah, this chicken's really looking great.
What you doing, Rocky?
Just finishing up my chicken.
That's a chicken? Chicken nothing.
Well, I got a little more to go.
Okay, hurry up.
Whoa, it's my last piece of this chicken. Yeah, that one's a beauty. Looks just like me. Lego chickens are awesome.
All right, Rocky, we got a chicken.
Yeah?
Versus a gator. Let's see which one is better. We need Peck to help us judge. Hey, Peck, come on. Which one do you think? Does the alligator look better?
Whoa, you really worked hard on that.
Or does the chicken look better?
I don't know. It's kind of hard to see a chicken in that.
I win.
Yeah, Gus, you did a really great job. I think you're the winner.
All right, I'm the winner.
Oh, wow, Gus. Well, good job.
All right. Let's go knock down our Lego animals.
Sometimes the best part about building something is just to take it all down. Time for flying lessons.
Oh, hey, Rocky. How'd you get here so fast?
Been taking flying lessons, man. Flying.
Oh, that's nice. Time for me to break down my gator. All right, let's go. All right, time to blow this thing up. All right, Rocky, that's enough competition. Let's work together as a team. Let's build the biggest fort you've ever seen.
All right, totally, Gus. Let's go.
Looking good. Wow, Rocky, we've done a lot of hard work.
Yeah, dude, totally.
It's great working as a team. Let's keep building. We got a lot more to go.
Whoa, look at this view from here. Kind of like I'm flying.
Woo! We got a huge fortress. Whoa! Uh-oh, better fix that. All right, that looks much better. Wow, look at this, Rocky. This looks amazing.
Yeah, dude, we're like really high up.
Yeah, it's great working as a team. Sometimes things are really fun though when you get to knock them down. What you think?
Oh, totally, dude. That'd be cool.
And I know just the person.
Hulk smash Legos! Roar!
Wow, that was fun. Let's do it again.
Yeah, totally, dude.
Hey, Rocky, look what I found.
Oh, sweet, man.
Yeah, you thinking what I'm thinking?
Totally. Let's do it.
All right. Wow, Rocky, this just keeps getting better and better. Let's do it again.
All right.
Wow, looks like this wall is ready for an explosion.
Yeah, man.
That's just the thing. Remember, little gators, don't ever play with fireworks unless you have an adult.
All right. Giant explosion.
Let's go. Take cover! Woohoo! Wow, that was a great explosion. Thanks, Rocky, for building with me today.
Yeah, man. Really cool stuff.
Thanks for watching, little gators. We'll see you next time.
If you had fun today, click my other videos to see me and my yummy gummies. Click on the red button to subscribe to watch more of my videos and my yummy gummy adventures.